To add Suica to Apple Wallet in the Philippines, start by ensuring your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select Continue. Then choose the type of card you want to add. In this case, a transit card. Select Suica as your transit card type and tap Continue. You will be asked to enter the card details, including the card number and expiration date. You can find these details on the back of your Suica card. If you do not have a Suica card, you can purchase one at any train station in Japan or online. Once you have entered your card details, tap Next and agree to the terms and conditions. Your Suica card will now be added to your Apple Wallet, and you can use it to travel on public transportation in Japan. To use your Suica card, simply hold your iPhone near the reader at the train station gate. You can also add money to your Suica card using the Wallet app. To do this, go to the Wallet app, select your Suica card, and tap Add Money. Enter the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. It is also possible to transfer your Suica card from a plastic card to your Apple Wallet using the Suica app. This process is called migration and allows you to transfer your existing Suica card balance to your Apple Wallet. To migrate your Suica card, open the Suica app and select the migration option. Follow the instructions to complete the migration process. Once the migration is complete, your Suica card will be added to your Apple Wallet, and you can start using it immediately. Adding Suica to Apple Wallet is a convenient way to travel on public transportation in Japan without needing a physical card. By following these steps, you can easily add your Suica card to your Apple Wallet and start using it right away.